If last time I did make an unboxing and I did test out Cubot KingKong 5 Pro, well, today we got a smaller version Cubot KingKong 5, which is still an ultra rugged smartphone that's strong, endurance and reliable to cope with water immersion, drops, dust and cold environments. Also, this one supports IP68 and IP69K certified, waterproof up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes and drop proof up to 1.5 So this is the box. We're gonna do a quick unboxing and then we're gonna check out this Cubot KingKong 5. We can see the model on the front right here, KingKong 5. Also on the back we got a few specifications like 6.088 inch HD plus water drop screen, Android 11, 8 megapixel front camera, 48 megapixel primary camera, flash LED, octa-core, type C, 5000 mAh battery and fast charging, and it's coming on this black and orange color. Time to open this box. Okay, and we can see the model right here, which is looking actually nice. On the left side we got type C cable, USB type C cable, and we got these earphones, and we got this adapter, 10 watts charging, and like I said, we got the 5000 mAh battery, which on the Pro model we had 8000 mAh battery. This is the smartphone right here, and we got the 10Q letter right here, and the battery cannot be detached from the smartphone. Also we got SIM pin. Okay, we got papers, EU regulation, quick start guide, and so on, which we're gonna put this away at the moment, and we're just gonna focus on the smartphone because it's looking actually very good. And check out this back right here, it's looking really good. So many lines, so many curves, design and so on. We got fingerprint on the back, if you can see right here. We got the triple camera right here, we got the flash LED. Also it says AI triple camera. We got a Cubot logo, also shockproof, waterproof. Also we got some icons right here from proof, drop proof, waterproof, dust proof right here, if I'm not wrong. You can see the whole design right here. We got this like some honeycombs right here on the left and right side. We got these orange lines, all the curves inside and out. We got the speakers on the back right here, and also another one on the top right here. We got these curves on the corners, and should make it shockproof in case of a drop, which I don't recommend to just start dropping your smartphone. This is for accidents, but I honestly like this back. Also very similar with the previous one, but a lot of more design on this Cubot KingKong 5. Also into the hand, it does feel a bit heavy. Well, it's a rugged smartphone, and we can test out the weight of this smartphone. Let's put it on the scale right here. 266 grams. Well, it does feel a bit heavy, but like I said, it's a rugged smartphone. The thickness 15 millimeters, 78.6 millimeters, and 160.3 millimeters. Also we got a button on the side which can be customized to open different apps. We got also the power button right here. On the top nothing, on the left SIM tray plus the volume buttons, and on the button right here we got the support for charging. Well protected the SIM card which is deep inside right here. It's a dual SIM, or you can put one SIM card and a micro SD card. Also the same, very well protected on the bottom right here. As you can see, it's deep inside, and I like it, more protection in case of dropping into the water or dust. Also we got an screen protector pre-applied on the smartphone, and it's time to be turned on. I did make the setup to be more easy right now. As you can see, support Face ID, and once touch the button you can unlock the device quite easy. Also we got the fingerprint scanner right here, which it's working. Okay, one more time, and you can see it's working also. So we got protection, we got Face ID and fingerprint scanner. Also we got stock Android 11, Google services already installed on the smartphone, and not too many apps. Also the phone, it's working well actually. We got 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. Well, you got a micro SD, so you can add extra storage. You can install all the apps on that micro SD card. As you can see, it's working quite well, not too bad. We got this drop notch on the front with the camera, and we got a few sensors right here. We got the speaker right here on the top. Also not very thin edges because it's a rugged smartphone. The bottom chin also a bit taller, and the same on the top right here, but I don't mind, it's looking quite nice actually, and it's moving not too bad. We got 4 GB of RAM, which is well, alright, I don't mind, and as you can see, it's moving not too bad. Also on the K menu right here we got Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, sound, location, airplane mode, NFC, so you can make payments with this model, torch, quite strong, night light, nearby share, well I cannot see right now, screenshot, do not disturb, screen record, bedtime mode, battery saver, hotspot, screencast, dark mode, and what else we got? Invert color, storage, focus mode. So we got quite a few shortcuts right here. Also, if we're gonna go on the settings, we got the menu, Android 11, like I said, network and internet, connected devices, Android Auto, NFC, Bluetooth, apps, battery. Now we got a huge battery of 5000 mAh, charging only on 10 watts. On the display we got the brightness level 100%, we got a night light, dark theme if you want. Alright, it's not looking bad at all. And let's go back, sound, storage, like I said, 32 GB, and if you can see 7.52 GB already occupied, and I didn't install any other app at the moment. And security, I just show you the Face ID and the fingerprint sensor, and then we got this custom key, and this is the key that you can customize to open a different app. At the moment is the camera, but you can select other apps, so you just have to press and hold. You're gonna feel a vibration, and then it's gonna open the camera. Let's go back at the moment. We got Dura Speed and the system, where you can check out all the specs that this device is coming with. And now maybe it's time to test out the display, so you can make an opinion about watching videos on this smartphone. Now as you can see, we got video playing on this display with the size of 6.088 inch HD plus display. Is looking good, not too bad, quite good colors I would say. You can stretch to original or to the maximum right here, and the colors looks actually nice, quite bright screen, natural colors, quite vivid actually. Look at this, it doesn't look faded, it's looking actually good. Let's test out the sound actually. So only this one is working. On the Cubot KingKong 5 Pro we had dual loudspeakers, and as you can see on this one we don't have, but it's looking good actually. I like the colors, and you can hear the sound one more time. Wow, quite loud actually. It is loud even on this model. So this is how you can watch videos on this Cubot KingKong 5. And now we're just gonna talk a bit the performance. And talking about performance, well, I'm not gonna test out any kind of games because this is not a gaming smartphone. This is a rugged smartphone made for endurance, made for accident drops, water, dust proof, and so on. But this one is coming with an MediaTek 6762. We got an octa-core Android 11 stock on this model with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, and you can add an 256 GB micro SD card. Probably wouldn't be any problem to play games like Angry Birds and other smaller games. But it may be a problem if you play the highest games like Call of Duty, PUBG and so on. Not tested yet, but like I said, this phone is made for outside and not for a gamer. But for occasional games, smaller games, probably wouldn't be any kind of problem. And if we are still with the back of this smartphone, we can check out the camera, which coming with a triple camera, which the main one is a 48 megapixel camera. We got also a macro camera with a size of 5 megapixel and a photosensitive lens with a size of 0.3 millimeters. Also the front camera with a size of 8 megapixel. Just gonna go on the menu and check out the camera settings, and then you may watch a photo and a video sample taken with this model. And if you can see right here, we got a picture. Let's just test quick before you can see. Oh, actually it doesn't look bad at all. Look at this, the color of my hand. It doesn't look bad at all actually. Let's just take a picture. Okay. Let's tap on this, and this is the photo. I may test it outside a bit, but this is the menu, picture, video, and on video let's go on the menu AIS. Oh, surprising. Video quality, full HD, and then we got frames, 30 frames per second, volume keys for the volume. On the picture, on the settings, picture size, 48 megapixel, anti-flicker, volume keys, volume, face detection. So we got quite a lot of settings, face beauty and more, HDR, panorama, slow motion, pro, night scan, macro, and so on. So this is the menu of the camera settings. And like I said, next you're gonna watch a photo and video sample taken with this Cubot KingKong 5. Now I hope you make an opinion about the photo and video quality of this Cubot KingKong 5. Also I hope you make an opinion about the phone in general. I still like it. I like the design. I like how it's looking on the back on this orange and black color. We got quite good specs. The price for this phone may depend, but at the moment can be found on different websites with the price of £115 and slightly cheaper than the Pro model. Also we got this triple camera, we got the fingerprint scanner right here, shock proof, waterproof, drop proof, so many proof we got on this model. And like I said, it's looking good actually from the back. Wow, it's quite surprising nice. I like it. And we got also a good size of the display, 6-inch. We got Android services, Android 11 quite clean, and 4 GB of RAM, NFC for payments, GPS. Also Cubot KingKong 5 Pro is coming with 5000 mAh battery, and with this big battery you can calling for about 49 hours, listen music for about 35 hours, or videos about 19 hours. And this is the info that I've taken from the website and not tested at the moment. Being said, I hope you make an opinion about this model. If so, you can leave a comment if you want to. And till next time, what can I say? All the best.